everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern from Modern Salon TV. We are here at Premiere Orlando 2019. I am here with Maria Don Vega. She tells me I now speak Spanish, which is so cool. We are at the most beautiful booth at the show, and what is the name of the booth?
Obliphica. We are from Miami, from the mall hair salons. We're an Obliphica partner salon. We assist in the distribution of the line in South Florida. I'd like to introduce to Massey, our stylist, and we have a beautiful model who is the daughter of the founder of the company.
This is all right. So this is Dalal's daughter. We all know and love Dalal, and what we're going to learn is how to create smooth curls that move, which is so on trend for 2019. So tell us how to
create movement and curls, because and the movement is away from flat hair. So Massey is using the Severi curl control and a flat iron to create movable, touchable, silky curls. Look at how beautiful it comes out. It's a very young look. It's a look with a lot of movement and tussle. And this is a very good product to create that.
So it's a leave-in conditioner that she coats the hair with. She doesn't saturate it, it's just a gentle coating.
Just a gentle coating to seal the cuticle of the hair, and you can use either a flat iron, or if you want a more defined curl, you can use a curling iron. And look at the beautiful, soft, defined curl. So it's sealed. The cuticle of the hair is sealed.
So ask her when she would use a curling iron versus a flat iron.
Well, Massey, ¿cuándo utilizarías tú una plancha o la tenaza?
Depende del cliente, como lo quiera. Si lo quiere bien rizo, puede ser la plancha. Si lo quiere en este estilo, con la tenaza. Y también este living lo pueden usar también para lasear, aunque diga curly.
And she can also use the leave-in as a styling cream if you want a smooth blow dry as well. And she also works with that. So now we're back on the flat iron. And let me ask her on the finishing sprays. En el spray, ¿utilizarías spray a marcar este rizo? And the serum, el serum en las puntas. So Massey is now going back into using her hands. And look, here, and there's a flat look. Same product, flat look. The thing is that once you use the Obliphica shampoo and conditioner to prepare the hair prior to styling, it's just so much easier. In our salon, we use it in the back bar for the clients. So now, and we're gonna go into the Severi Shine Mist. Severi Shine Mist is very, very, very light. It creates a gloss, a finish, like a gel nail polish enamel on the hair. Really a micro mist. And it's touchable and it's really pretty. Look at how pretty and bouncy the curl on Sophia is.
I wish we had smell-o-vision, because that smells really nice, but you can see the shine right away, that it really glistens.
Why don't we go ahead and compare a part of the hair on the other side? Massey, toma el cabello antes para que podamos ver el cabello antes del terminado y después. Mira qué bonito queda el terminado. Y tiene mucho movimiento y se puede separar. Esta es una línea this is a really pretty line. It's a beautiful luxury line. All the products come with the pump built in, so it's very comfortable if you're using it at home.
Well, we've been fans for a long time, so because so many people ask me how to say it, I'm going to ask you how to say it, then I'm going to ask Sophia. How do you say it?
Obliphica.
Sophia.
Obliphica.
See, it is a little different. I say it Obliphica, but whatever, it's great stuff. So it's beautiful hair. You've got the perfect model.
It's a great unifying word that individuals from any nationality can say over and over and over, and it's personalized by your nationality. I say it Obliphica, but then I'm Cuban.
Well, thank you so much. Thanks for giving us this time. This is like the busiest booth. It is so beautiful. Just do a quick pan around here. It is just the most beautiful.
Yesterday, I will share with you, Maggie, that photo booth did 14,000 clicks. This booth had so many people going in and out. It was like the Apple launch of an iPhone.
Well, you know what? I kept trying to come by here yesterday, and the line was, it's like you were giving stuff
out
free.
The door, and we actually were, and we were giving away knowledge free. We were giving beautiful, memorable pictures free. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Wow. So we shared yesterday 14,000 pictures. That's a lot of pictures.
A lot of pictures and a lot of buzz about this. Thank you so much. Thank you. You look beautiful, and you guys have a great day and have the great last day of the show.
And we need to now have you go up and have your picture taken with Obliphica.
Well, there's a big, huge line, but okay. Anyway, thank you. Bye.